Hey everybody, it's Nicholas Wilton at Art to Life. I wanted to talk about something that I do a lot that I thought, it seems kind of obvious, and I was just doing it the other day, and I thought I would share it with you. I make these templates. I take cardboard, pretty thick cardboard, and I draw shapes, and I actually did these in Illustrator, on a computer, made this kind of cool symmetrical shape, and then I blew it up, and then I traced it on a piece of cardboard, and I cut it out, and I've got, circles, and I've got squares, and just weird shapes, and these are always laying around the studio. And what I like to do is I will use them on my painting if I need something symmetrical, because it's sort of hard to draw something like this, but I want to have a symmetrical shape because a lot of things I do are really messy and spontaneous. So I like to have something that's more, defined and clear. Those are really beautiful opposites. But I don't want to spend forever trying to do it. So I love just having these templates, and I'll put it right on the painting. Like you can see these marks here, like this. And on these, sometimes I'll just trace it. I'll use a pencil and draw around it, and I'll fill this in. But on this painting, you see all these underlined drawings? These are actually scraped into, I carve into it. And, it's just really great to have something like this around. And I don't, it's amazing. These are all I have. You could have tons of things that you could use. And I keep meaning to make more because I use them a lot. I need a perfect circle. And what is cool is that you can just put them, it's easy to move them around and try things. It makes an aspect of your painting like collage. You can just be working on them and say, oh, hey, where do I need a cool shape? And you can hold it up and kind of see if you like it. So it's just something that I do a lot, and I don't know what the thickness of the cardboard is, but it's pretty thick. It's kind of the cardboard that comes on the back of a tracing pad, to support the tracing paper. It's fairly substantial, but anyway, I think that could be really fun if you want to try that. It's really great, just different size things, and it just brings an aspect to your work that's it's spontaneous and fresh, and it just adds some cool drawing elements to it. So maybe give it a shot.